Imagine this. You're a human living 40,000 years ago. No walls, no locks, no flashlight, just a small campfire surrounded by endless darkness. Every night, hungry predators roam the forests. Wolves, cave lions, saber-toothed cats. They can smell you, hear you, and easily overpower you. Yet something strange happens. Most nights, they simply walk away. Why? Why didn't ancient predators attack sleeping humans every chance they got? Was it luck? Fire? Instinct? Or did early humans discover a survival secret that changed history forever? Today we're traveling back to the Stone Age to uncover one of humanity's greatest mysteries. Because the answer might surprise you. For early humans, every sunset meant another battle for survival. Strange noises echoed through the forest. Every crack of a branch could mean death. Sleeping alone was almost a guarantee you wouldn't wake up. But over thousands of years, humans noticed something unusual. Large predators preferred easier meals, a sleeping deer, a lonely mammoth calf, an injured animal. Humans weren't perfect prey anymore. They stayed together. They built fires. They made noise. They smelled like smoke and ash. For predators, attacking humans often meant risking serious injury. In nature, even the strongest hunter avoids unnecessary danger. Our ancestors slowly changed the rules of survival. Instead of sleeping alone, they formed groups. Instead of hiding in darkness, they controlled fire. Instead of running away, they carried sharpened wooden spears. Scientists believe fire was one of humanity's greatest inventions, not just for warmth, but for protection. Smoke masked human scent. Flames frightened many predators, and groups could defend each other. Over thousands of years, predators learned an important lesson. Humans were dangerous. Generation after generation, humans became one of the hardest animals to hunt. Predators adapted. Humans adapted even faster. The smartest hunters survived. The strongest families protected one another. Fire, teamwork, communication, and intelligence transformed humans from vulnerable prey into powerful survivors. Nature rewarded cooperation more than strength. So why do predators ignore sleeping humans? Not because humans are stronger, not because humans are faster, but because humans became unpredictable. Fire, noise, teamwork, weapons, intelligence. These made attacking humans far more dangerous than hunting easier prey. Sometimes survival isn't about being the strongest creature in the forest. It's about becoming the one nobody wants to fight. And that simple lesson helped shape the future of our entire species.